Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Anissa Rohmah, and in this video, I want to explain a little bit of our material today. The first, the definition of lesson plan. A lesson plan is a document that outlines the content of your lesson step by step. It's a list of tasks that your students will undertake to help guide your teaching. A lesson plan is usually prepared in advance and can either cover a one-off activity, another lesson, a unit or course, a day, or a week. And the second, why a lesson plan is important. Lesson planning is important because it helps teachers ensure that the day-to-day activities that go on in their classrooms are providing students with an adequate level of long-term progress toward the goals outlined in their scope and sequence, as well as their individual education plans when necessary. The third, the function of lesson planning. A lesson plan provides you with a general outline of your teaching goals, learning objectives, and means to accomplish them, and is by no means exhaustive. A productive lesson is not one in which everything goes exactly as planned, but one in which both students and instructor learn from each other. And the fourth, the components of lesson plan. The components of the lesson plan in 2013 curriculums. Designing the lesson plan should refer to the regulation of Ministry of Education and Culture number 65 2013, which states that the lesson plan should at least cover the learning objective, the learning material, the learning method, the learning source, and the assessment of students' achievement. Particularly, the components of the lesson plan are the first, identity, school name, subject, class, semester, major, content, and time allotment. The second, core competence, aspect of the attitude, knowledge, and skill that should be learned by students in certain school level, class, and subject. The third, basic competence and indicator of competent achievement. The fourth, learning objective. The fifth, learning materials. Six, teaching method. The seventh, research, tools and media. The eighth, teaching activities, and the last, achievement. And the last, why designing the lesson plans is important according to expect. The, there are a number of reasons why designing the lesson plan is important. Born in 2001, states the lesson plan is very useful to help teachers specifying their planning, and it can help them to prevent classroom difficulties when they get confused in explaining something. Then Harmer 2000 also explained that a lesson plan gives from work for teachers of an overall shape of the lesson and give students confidence in the teacher. Okay, I think that's all for me. I did apologize for my mistake. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.